How we plant the topiaries. This one's the gamecock right here. So really obviously it's bare right here, but within a few months it'll be completely covered. He requires about 30,000 plugs. So these are the plugs that we'll be working with today. This is what we start them on is a tray of 128 plants. So we start by getting them out of there. So I turn it over, usually on an oil band, and then take a little bamboo stick. I'll push them out that way. We don't want to pull them up like this because you could damage the roots. So we try to be as gentle with them as possible. So this is called Red Ruby Alternanthera. It is the exact same plant as these guys. These are also Alternantheras, but this is a white variety and this is a yellow variety. There's several varieties. Other plants that we do use is the ficus. A lot of them. We also use different succulents such as the lemon ball, and this is John Creech sedum. So what I do is, in order to make sure it doesn't just grow in that square, you gotta tear off the root balls just like planting in the dirt. And then usually I try to do about 3 inches apart. Just make a hole with the dibble. And put it in there. It's a little bit different from the other ones I showed you. A lot of our topiaries use this guy, so I'm gonna knock off as much dirt as I can. And then I'm gonna make the hole. It's a little bit harder to get in since it's a bigger plug. These guys, so that just pins all the plants in place. If you ever wondered why or how they grew the way they grew and why they didn't just go all crazy all over the place, we kind of pin them in place to make sure that they kind of go where they want. We want them to. One thing that we do is we will actually draw with the plants on the topiaries. So we use twine and other things like that. So we use that and then we fill in with the plants. So this is missing some, so I'm not gonna say what it is, but you know, so this is inside the line right here. So make a little hole and put some more of that white alternanthera in there just to make sure it's nice shape.